Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti and today I'm going to be sharing some tips and methods that I followed on my daily basis to achieve 95.4% in my 10th boards and how you can do that as well. So let's begin. So the first tip is setting your daily goals and your daily tasks. So this is important because you cannot mindlessly go through your day thinking about the next thing to do. You should have a particular list. Like a lot of people have to-do lists for their day, so you can have similar thing like that. I used to have my to-do list in my bullet journal where I used to set 5 different goals for the day related to academics, and I used to complete them by the day, and I used to feel very satisfied that I completed the things that I intended to. So definitely make a to-do list. It will give you a goal orientedness and it will help you get through your day when you don't feel or don't know what to do next. So definitely set your tasks. The second thing is designated study place. It is very important to sit in a place where you're not going to be disturbed and you can study for hours and hours without getting any distractions. So choose a place which is comfortable, but at the same time it is away from distractions so you can really focus on your studies. The third thing is a little bit obvious, but you have to have a study system, a method through which you will learn the material, you will revise the material, and you'll be able to memorize and recall the material. So there are two main ways that I used to study. The first is the SRK method and the second is active recall method. So SRK method is basically skim, read and keywords. So first I used to just skim through the main headings and the titles of the chapter to get an idea of what the chapter contains and what I'm going to learn. The second thing is read. Basically, read means go through the entire chapter, read everything, every point, and then the next thing was keywords, which means whenever next I read the chapter, I have a pencil or a highlighter in my hand and I underline or highlight the words or the important things in the chapter that I think are very important and crucial and that could come up in my exam. So that is the SRK method. And the second way in which I studied was the active recall method. It's very famous and very well known, so I don't need to explain it that much. But in active recall, it's where you actively recall stuff from your brain, exercise your brain to give you information. You retrieve the information from your brain rather than just reading through the textbook after you've done the SRK method already. So in that, there are two ways I did studying was flashcards and active recall. Flashcards, everyone knows, you take a card, you write a word, and behind that card you write the definition. And when you're revising, you look at the word and try to recall what the definition was. And teaching method in under active recall, I also had this teaching method where I used to read the concepts or read all the keywords and then go to my board and explain everything that I know about that chapter on that board to anyone, or even if there is no one there, I'll just explain it to some invisible person. So that was my method. And the fourth and the last thing for this video would be revising and taking notes. I know some people do think taking notes is a waste of time. Some people think it's very important. So do what suits you. But I think notes really helped me, especially not written notes like paragraphs and paragraphs of things that are already written in the textbook, but more so of flowcharts and diagrams and mind maps that really in a concise way told me what the chapter was about. So those were my notes. And revision just involved going through the flashcards and the active recall method and just reading through those keywords rather than reading the entire chapter. So these were some tips and tricks and methods that I used for my 10th standard preparation, and I hope you really benefit from them. And do let me know how you felt after using them for a couple of times. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with every friend you have, who is a student trying to study for 10th standard or any standard. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Bye.